Assalamualaikum students, how are you? I hope you will be fine. Students, today I will teach you English unit number 7, page number 73, exercise grammar. Students, now let's start topic correlative conjunctions. Correlative conjunctions work in pairs to join words, phrases or clauses. The correlative conjunctions are either or, neither nor, both, and not only but also, whether or. Next, read the sentences and observe the use of correlative conjunctions. Example A, we will either go for a picnic or visit our grandma. In this example, word either and or are correlative conjunctions. Next example B, neither I nor my brother read this book. In this example, word neither and nor are correlative conjunctions. Next example C, both hockey and cricket are famous in Pakistan. In this example, word both and are correlative conjunctions. Next example D, Shahid is not only a teacher but also a successful businessman. In this example, not only and but also are correlative conjunctions. Next example E, I don't know whether he will visit me or leave for Lahore. In this example, word whether and are correlative conjunctions. Next, use the following correlative conjunctions in sentences. इसमें नंबर 1 पर correlative conjunction है whether or. इस conjunction को sentence में इस तरह यूज़ किया जाएगा, whether he comes or not, I will wait. नेक्स्ट नंबर 2 पर correlative conjunction है neither nor. इस conjunction को sentence में इस तरह यूज़ किया जाएगा, neither he nor his friend read the station. नेक्स्ट नंबर 3 पर correlative conjunction है not but. इस conjunction को sentence में इस तरह यूज़ किया जाएगा, he is not a teacher but a doctor. नेक्स्ट नंबर 4 पर correlative conjunction है both and. इस conjunction को sentence में इस तरह यूज़ किया जाएगा, the essay was both simple and attractive. नेक्स्ट नंबर 5 पर correlative conjunction है either or. इस conjunction को sentence में इस तरह यूज़ किया जाएगा, either he or she will not be allowed to come here. नेक्स्ट नंबर 6 पर correlative conjunction है not only but also. इस conjunction को sentence में इस तरह यूज़ किया जाएगा, he is not only a student but also a good player. स्टूडेंट्स, आज का लेक्चर यहाँ कंप्लीट हुआ. आई होप you will be understood this lecture. Students, kindly write down this work on your notebooks. Okay, Allah Hafiz.